Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG network. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of OMG network broke out the resistance of the falling wedge, and this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 11th of October, and the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge. Let me to show you the target for this chart. The first target was $15.60, and the second target was at the tail of this falling wedge, that was $17.70, and the stop loss was the recent swing low before this breakout, that was approximately at $12.40. Now I'm just playing the chart, and you can see that the price line reached the first target, and after hitting the first target, it is moving sideways here for more than a week. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let's move to the weekly time frame chart. Here I would like to show you a very strong rejection line that the price line has found on this long-term chart. We had a very nice move where the price line moved down here, and I'm just going to connect all these rejection points, and we again had another very nice move, and we again had another rejection, and this is the next point, and we again had a very big rally, and right now we are having again another rejection. And if I connect all these candlesticks, the wicks of all these candlesticks, then this uptrend line is breaking at a very strong rejection since after August 2020. Whenever the price line is reaching here, you can see that it is having powerful rejections, but this time it is likely to have another reversal to the upside, and I'm expecting that it can make a powerful attempt to break out this powerful rejection line, because at the same time we have already seen that the price line on the daily time frame is also testing a very strong support of an uptrend line, and this was the trend line that the price line broke out. You can see it was working as a very strong trend line on the daily time frame, and after breaking out here, the price line is still above this trend line. We have a rejection here, we had a rejection here, and we also had another rejection, several rejections here as well. Now after breaking out this resistance line, this previous resistance has turned into a strong support, and we are having an accumulation above this support line right now. And at the same time, the price line also has broken out a cup and handle formation as well. This was the round shape body of the cup, and this was the resistance we had approximately at 11.5 cents, and this was the handle of the cup that was approximately retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me replace this Fibonacci tool here from this low to this high, and you can see that it was retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Now if we take a look at the target of this cup and handle again, that is approximately here. The next target is, let me just show you, here at approximately $20, and so far this move is still due. Therefore I'm expecting that after testing this support, we are having nice accumulation here, and even though we are rejected by this very big rejection line, but the price line has also broken out the resistance of the cup and handle, and after this breakout we can achieve this target very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.